Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram story icon too big in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix? First of all, open your iPhone and iPad setting. From here, scroll it down, then tap on journal. From here, then tap on iPhone storage. Search for this, scroll it down, Instagram, then tap on Instagram. You make sure that upload your Instagram app, and after a few minutes you have again install, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method it doesn't work, then go back here home screen and open your Instagram app. What you need to do is tap on profile icon, then tap on three lines, then tap on settings, then tap on help. From here tap on report a problem. From here then tap on report a problem without checking, then tap on this. From here include a continue. From here upload your screenshot and discuss your problem and tap on send. And after send your report, Instagram team fix your problem as soon as possible. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.